This is my XC60. So this one is having an issue where the sound system is not working now. I called Volvo. They said we could reset. So we're going to see how to reset and if it works. So as you may see, the sound won't work. Hey Google, can you hear me? Hey Google, can you hear me? Oh shoot. Can you hear me? Okay, so she might be saying, but can't hear. The sound system is not working. If you see the settings, sound, if all speakers on, I had it in front. The volume is here. So now let's see the solution. Oh, let's also try playing some music. Processing forever. Can just play anything. See that? No volume. No sound. Okay, then let's try the solution. Okay, we probably just reset the whole thing. It's restarting. The display's gone too. Let's see what happens now. The car is fairly messy today. I just came back from a trip this weekend. Okay, so looks like this is restarted. Now let's see if it plays music or sound now.
Trader Joe's
And it worked! Yay!
$13 billion empire.
Wow, okay, so this reset works. All I had to do was keep it pressed for 30 seconds and it just reset the whole stuff. Let's also try Google. Hey Google, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. How can I help you with your drive today?
I was just checking the sound system. Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Glad it's working well. Have a safe drive and a great day.
Cool. So that's how we fixed our sound system in Volvo XC60. This is a 2025 model. This started having sound issues after the latest update towards end of July 2026. Today is August 3rd, 2026. So yeah, have a good day. Bye.